The Mojawa HaptiFit Terra headphones offer a unique blend of innovative technology and ergonomic design tailored for fitness enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. One of the standout features of these headphones is their use of bone conduction technology, which transmits sound through the cheekbones directly to the inner ear, leaving the ear canals open. This design not only ensures a secure and comfortable fit, but also allows users to stay aware of their surroundings, a critical feature for safety during outdoor activities such as running, cycling, or hiking. The HaptiFit Terra headphones are engineered to be durable and weather-resistant, boasting an IP67 rating. This means they are dust-proof and can withstand immersion in water up to a meter deep for 30 minutes, making them ideal for various weather conditions and high-intensity workouts. The build quality is robust, with materials that can endure the rigors of active use, while maintaining a lightweight profile for comfort. Audio performance is where the HaptiFit Terra truly shines. The bone conduction technology provides clear and balanced sound, ensuring that music and calls are delivered with high fidelity. Additionally, the headphones feature Mojawa's proprietary haptic feedback technology, which enhances the bass response and adds a tactile dimension to the audio experience. This feature is particularly beneficial for fitness enthusiasts, as the haptic feedback can sync with workout rhythms, providing an extra layer of motivation and immersion. Battery life is another strong suit of the HaptiFit Terra. With up to 8 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, these headphones can easily last through long training sessions or extended outdoor adventures. Furthermore, they include a fast charging capability, allowing users to quickly top up the battery when needed. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 5.0, offering a stable connection and compatibility with a wide range of devices. The headphones also come equipped with intuitive controls, making it easy to manage music playback and calls without interrupting your activities. Additionally, the built-in microphone provides clear voice quality for phone calls and voice commands. In conclusion, the Mojawa HaptiFit Terra headphones are a remarkable choice for anyone seeking a combination of cutting-edge audio technology, durability, and comfort. Their bone conduction and haptic feedback features set them apart in the crowded market of fitness headphones, ensuring that users can enjoy their activities with enhanced safety and an enriched audio experience.